So one of the things that our industry is continually grappling with is understanding the size of its skills challenges, both in terms of skills gaps and workforce gaps. So do we have enough people to do the work ahead? And do we have people with the right skills to do the work that's planned ahead? And that needs a much more strategic workforce planning approach across all aspects of the built environment. That includes everything from professional technical workers through to tradespeople on site. We know we have a demographic pressure, we know we have an ageing workforce, so people are going to be leaving the industry year on year, but we really need to think about what the future holds in terms of the new skills that are required and how much of what skills are required to reflect changing skills requirements and ways of working, when those skills are going to be required, where those skills are going to be required, and what are transferable skills. And it's going to be really easy to actually make mistakes here if we're not careful. This is about making sure that we're thinking ahead, we're thinking what the profile of skills needs are in 5-10 years time, not just here and now. Otherwise we're going to develop a workforce that's not actually appropriate for the future. And BEFA want to be at the forefront of leading this debate. We want to think about strategic workforce planning. We want to promote that discussion with industry, with policymakers. We want to ensure that the data is there that drives us through coming up with the right skills capacity in different parts of the market, and ensure that we have the workforce of tomorrow trained when we need it.